everybody. Welcome to this edition of Farm Truck Friday. Sorry last Friday I didn't get to upload a Farm Truck Friday. We got spaghetti bang with a little bit of sweet and spicy barbecue sauce on it. Woo! Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. You fix to watch Big Finley smash all this stuff right here. We got Cardi B in the back. You see her waking up? Better not get my spaghetti, Cardi B. Better go back to sleep. We just got done raccoon hunting. We got the shout outs here, y'all. We got Sour News. Been connected with Sour News from the get-go. Hollowbred Kennels. Elsa Fan 248. My Old Lady's Cooking Show. M&K Outdoors. Walsh Farms. Ooh, look at Big Finley done put some spaghetti on the table. Y'all want the first bite? Bam! Damn. I'm gonna drop my spaghetti. I drop some in every video. Timber Hill Red Bones. Midwest Duck Slayer. My Sister Eat with Fifi. Mike Humphrey. Way to go, Kennels. Information Man Show. Catherine Bach. Rex Fitzgerald. We got Yolanda Tankersley. Bake a Leg and Let's Dig It Homes. Shake It Up with Shanti Cooking. Katrina Catras. Chicken Wire. RC Dude. FAV UK. Life of Alan 44. Can Be Fit. Can Be Fit. I ain't seen you in a long time. I appreciate you come by. I got to go back and see you. It's been a long time. Dave Larson. Fossil Creek Kennels. That's out of the list. Welcome to the mukbang. Appreciate you coming back so you can watch me bang bang this spaghetti out. Whoo. We just got done raccoon hunting. The video's going to be uploaded Sunday. It's a nice hunt. We got a little Cardi B back there. Cardi B, wake up! Spaghetti time! That little Finley puppy. You'll see the mama and daddy in action in the video. What I did here is boil me up some noodles, put some marinara sauce, fried the meat. Y'all, I sauteed up some whole garlic chunks. Cooked them with the meat. And boiled some of them in there with the spaghetti noodle. I like garlic. Garlic good for you. I'm trying to find one of them big old cloves. I appreciate everybody been supporting the channel. I know I ain't been live too much. I just got me a new phone last week and kind of trying to learn it. I think for mukbanging, turning it straight up instead of sideways would be better. Now I gotta hold, which I need to hold this anyway because I always drop stuff. Where in the world? So anyway, we've been working a lot. We just hit a milestone last week, 2.5K subscribers. I appreciate everybody. Y'all know I'm horrible about answering comments. I read them though. It's been so busy. Y'all know I work at Sonic. essential worker. I like to eat, so I hadn't shaved because we wear them COVID masks. I got a big old mask covers all them. I said, shoot, I ain't got shaved for a couple of days. But I'm kind of looking raggedy. I should have got a fork, but I got a spoon. It's like 2:30 in the morning. I went to work this morning. Got up at 8 o'clock yesterday. Worked the mid, 11 to 9. Which it was almost 9:30 when I got out. And I'm going to eat all this big old bowl. And this stuff good. Put a little bit of that barbecue sauce in it just now. Oh, and I had some Parmesan cheese. I wonder where that big chunk of that big clove of garlic. There's a little piece right there. Any of y'all like garlic? You see that big old chunk? Bam! There you go. I didn't quit talking. I do need to sing. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome, man. I had my whole little skit I was gonna do. Welcome to the mukbang. Bang bang. Big Finley gonna eat spaghetti. It's me, Mario. I'm gonna drive my cart. I'm gonna knock over Luigi. I'm gonna eat the spaghetti. That bowl getting heavy. Anybody want some Diet Dr. Pepper? There you go. So anyway, well, the bowl cooled off. I had it on that middle. That plastic plate right there. Next time I do spaghetti, fork. The next time I cross it, I can't see my head. Which I ain't missing nothing anyway. You can see my forehead. Y'all, that's aggravating as hell. My phone want to do a system update. I'm over here munching and crunching. That's aggravating. And I'm messing with this telephone. Hell, I got to get to eating. I'm hungry. I got to go to work in 12 hours. Still got to feed and water. I'm trying to eat it pretty quick. I don't like no long videos. That's a little spicy. Got me another little chunk of garlic. I love that sauteed garlic. So good for your blood. I won't have no fleas either. Help keep mosquitoes away. I got a big old chunk of garlic in here somewhere. Boy, it sure beats buying stuff. This is leftovers. I make enough for a couple of days. Next week, I'll be hunting a little bit and smoke, y'all. I want to shout out Zoe Atkins. Just met her from another channel. I don't look like I get no big old. I had a big old chunk. I know it's in there unless I cut it up by accident. Y'all check out my two boys' channels, Finley River Kennels Jr., Lackey Outdoors. You seen how that sketty sucked up in there? Can't be playing around with no sketty, y'all. You gotta get it 8. Y'all want another bite? Bam! I like to chop my meat up real fine. I appreciate everybody returning to watch me. And the new one. Damn, I didn't get no garlic bread. See, if I had some garlic bread, I could have. Bam! Last little bite for you. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Yo, welcome to the mukbang. Bang, bang. You saw Big Philly do his thing. I eat up all of my sketty. Because you know that I'm fixing to be ready. I'm fixing to ready. Lay my hand down into sleep, go to bed. Beep, beep, beep. Jeep, jump in the road, out the door. Because we're not going to go around to the other store. We're not going to go to Walmart or the dollar store. Alright, y'all. Thank you. Come again. Until next time. We appreciate you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Pow!